10 amazing benefits of Epsom salt that you need to know. Relief, relaxation, and more. Tired of aches, pains, and stress? Discover the incredible power of Epsom salt. This simple, affordable remedy can transform your well-being. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of Epsom salt. It's more than just a bath additive. It's a powerhouse of benefits. Aches, pains, and stress are unfortunately common in our modern lives. But what if there was a simple, affordable solution right at your fingertips? That's where Epsom salt comes in. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible benefits of Epsom salt. Get ready to discover how it can relieve muscle soreness, reduce stress, improve sleep, give you glowing skin, and even help in your garden. We're covering everything from muscle relief to gardening hacks. So grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes. Let's get started. Do you suffer from muscle soreness after workouts or long days? Epsom salt can be your new best friend. It's a natural and effective way to relieve those aching muscles. Magnesium, a key component of Epsom salt, reduces inflammation. It also helps to relax those tight, overworked muscles. To experience the muscle-soothing benefits, add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath. Make sure the water is comfortably warm, not scalding hot. Soak in the Epsom salt bath for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the magnesium to be absorbed through your skin, providing maximum relief. Stress is a constant companion in today's fast-paced world. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for overall well-being. Epsom salt can be a surprisingly effective tool for stress reduction. A warm bath with Epsom salt can melt away the tension of the day. Magnesium is a natural stress reliever. It helps regulate mood and promote a sense of calm. Try taking an Epsom salt bath before bed. This can help calm your mind and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Epsom salt might be the answer you've been looking for. It's a fantastic sleep aid. Magnesium plays a vital role in sleep regulation. It increases the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Again, a warm Epsom salt bath before bed is the key. The warm water and magnesium work together to promote relaxation and sleep. The result? You'll fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Want glowing, radiant skin? Epsom salt can help you achieve that through gentle exfoliation. It's a natural and effective way to remove dead skin cells. Mix a small amount of Epsom salt with your favorite body wash or oil. Coconut oil or olive oil work particularly well. Gently massage the mixture onto your skin in circular motions. Focus on areas that tend to be dry or rough, like elbows and knees. The Epsom salt will gently remove dead skin cells. This leaves your skin feeling smooth, soft, and radiant. Do your feet feel tired and achy after a long day? An Epsom salt foot soak can provide much-needed relief. It's a simple and effective way to pamper your feet. An Epsom salt foot soak relieves pain and reduces swelling. It also helps eliminate unpleasant foot odor. Add about half a cup of Epsom salt to a basin of warm water. Make sure the water is warm, not too hot. Soak your feet in the Epsom salt solution for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel the tension melt away. Dealing with a stubborn splinter? Epsom salt can help draw it out. It's a gentle and effective way to remove those pesky splinters. Soak the affected area in warm water with Epsom salt. This will help soften the skin around the splinter. The magnesium in Epsom salt reduces inflammation. It also softens the skin, making it easier to remove the splinter. Epsom salt can also be used as a gentle laxative. However, it's important to use it with caution and follow package instructions carefully. Epsom salt draws water into the intestines. This helps to soften the stool and promote bowel movements. Important note: consult with a healthcare professional before using Epsom salt as a laxative, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Did you know Epsom salt is also beneficial for your garden? It can help promote healthier plant growth and more vibrant blooms. Magnesium helps plants absorb essential nutrients from the soil. This leads to stronger, healthier plants. Sprinkle Epsom salt around the base of your plants. You can also use it as a foliar spray by dissolving it in water. The result is healthier growth, greener foliage, and more vibrant blooms. your garden will thank you. Suffering from swelling and inflammation due to sprains, strains, or insect bites? Epsom salt can help reduce swelling and ease discomfort. Soak the affected area in warm water with Epsom salt. This helps draw out excess fluid and reduce inflammation. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps to soothe irritated tissues. It also promotes faster healing. Tension headaches got you down? An Epsom salt bath can help ease the pain. It's a natural and relaxing way to alleviate headache symptoms. Magnesium reduces muscle tension. It also promotes relaxation, which can help alleviate headache symptoms. A warm Epsom salt bath can help ease the pain and tension associated with headaches. It's a simple and effective remedy. So there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of Epsom salt. From muscle relief to gardening hacks, this simple remedy offers a wide range of benefits. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your favorite uses for Epsom salt? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more DIY home care tips and remedies. We release new videos every week. What other topics would you like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments below. We're always looking for new ideas. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. More health-related videos can be found now by clicking the boxes that have appeared on screen. See you in the next video. Thanks again, and goodbye for now.